Namaste. This is JBN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss on the module difference between the game theory and the decision theory. This session is a part of the course Operation Research under the program of BBA 6th semester and BBA LLB 6th semester of the university. As all we know that the subject of Operation Research is a very important subject and that's why it is included in the various various programs of the universities at UG and PG level, and Operation Research just will find so many applications in different fields, in almost every field. We can say in almost every field the Operation Research is applicable, and with the utilization of Operation Research the best decisions can be made, and the decisions with the help of the Operation Research just will make the best results for the projects, for the various kind of activities, and various objectives can be fulfilled with the use of the Operation Research. Operation Research consists of different models, and the today's session which we are going to discuss about that, the concept of the difference between the game theory and the decision theory. So here the game theory and the decision theories are the two models in the Operation Research subject, and Operation Research can be treated as a subfield of mathematics. Game theory just can be considered as a mathematical model, mathematical tool, and it can be also applied in the non-mathematical field also, non-mathematical tools, non-mathematical just models. This can be also useful, but it can be taken as a mathematical tool, and the game theory just is a model for the strategic game, and it can be just played by the players and can be applicable in the various fields. So like in the economics, in the banking sector, and in the various other competitive nature of the players, and like the members who are going to play the game will provide a best decision, and it can be taken as a strategic game, just where the members find the results for the best results for the winning, and under this game theory. And while the decision theory is a interdisciplinary approach, it is a interdisciplinary approach, and just will provide the again best decision in the unfavorable environment also, and in all different environments, and this decision theory model along with means in the use of the like statistics and mathematics, social science, and the other fields like the psychology and philosophy. If these subjects included, then the decision theory can give the results or the better results with the use of these various subjects. And now we are going to discuss about various more differences about these two fields, and we are going to share some slides for these. So now we take these slides. So initially the game theory is defined here. Game theory is a mathematical subject. It can be taken as a mathematical model, and that is commonly used in the practical life. So this game theory is a very important subject which is used in the practical life, which can be used in the practical life, and it is applied to various other non-mathematical fields also. And this theory will explain that how a strategy game is played, while the model of the decision theory is an approach, and which can be considered as the interdisciplinary approach, and which just gives which can be used to arrive at the decisions that are the most advantageous given an uncertain environment. So decision theory brings together psychology, statistics, philosophy and mathematics to analyze the decision making processes, and decision theory is closely related to game theory. It is a very important point that the decision theory can be considered as just in relation with the game theory. It is closely related to game theory and studied within the context of the understanding the activities and the decisions underpinning activities such as auctions, evolutions and marketing. So this game theory, just we can see there, decision theory is closely related to game theory and can be studied within the context of the understanding the various activities and decisions underpinning the activities such as different activities like evolutions and the field of marketing and the field of and the auctions. Now we just take more differences between the game theory and the decision theory. And decision theory just studies the individual decision making. So it will study the individual decision making in various situations in which an individual choice neither affects nor is affected by the individual choices. So this kind of theory, the decision theory, will study the individual decision making in the situations where an individual choice neither affect and nor is affected by the individual choice, while the game theory studies the decision making in the situations where individual choices do affect each other. So it means the game theory can be applicable applicable in the situations where the individual's choice will affect each other, and so in that case the game theory will be applicable. And if the individual choice neither affects and nor is affected by the other individual choice, then the decision theory can be applied. Decision theory is the study of how an agent can maximize its expected utility in situations where there are no other agents making choices. So that is like similar to the this above point, and here we can understand that this is a kind of a study of how an agent can maximize its expected utility. So just it is here the agent can maximize the expected utility, and in situations where there are no other agents making choices, means the choices will be itself. And the source of the problem studies in a principles of the microeconomics course are the source of the problem that decision theory is concerned with. Game theory is the study of how agents can maximize their expected utility. Just we have studied about that the part of the decision theory, and now we come to the part of the game theory. And the game theory is can be considered as a study of how agents can maximize their expected utility in situations where the multiple means more than one agents make choices, and the payoff function of each agent depends on what all of the other agents do. Means where the just the condition is that just the means the dependence of the one and more agents will affect the others, and the prisoner's dilemma is a prototypical example of a game theoretic problem. Now decision theory asks the questions like what does it mean to choose rationally? So just such type of questions can be just included in the theory of decision, like what does it mean to choose rationally? Next question is that how should we make choices when the consequences of our actions are uncertain? And buying insurance and deciding which job to take are the examples of the kinds of the decision studied by the discipline. While the game theory instead applies to all the decisions that have a strategic component. So game theory just can be applicable to all the decisions that have a strategic component. Means there is a concept of the strategy is included there. So game theory will be used for the all kind of decisions there. Now, like for example, we can see that the choices of voting strategies, military tactical problems, deterrence, but also common phenomena such as threatening, promising, conflict, and cooperation are its subject matter. So these are the examples of this game theory, and here the game theory can be applicable. In a strategic situation, the goal is not just to choose rationally. Here only the goal is not to choose rationally, but to choose in such a way that the mutual solution is achieved, and so that choices coordinate in the right way. The formal methods developed by game theory do not require that the subject making a choice be an intentional agent. Coordinated interaction between animals or the computers can be successfully modeled as well. And now we have again a difference is given between the game theory and the decision theory, and here game theory has people as players. So just we can understand that the game theory can be played by the players, has people as players, and here the people will be the players, and the decision theory has probability distributions of decision networks. So the decision theory has the distributions related with probability of decision networks. Game theory is concerned with what the probability and utility need to be to model an observed outcome. So in the game theory, just what the probability and the utility need to be to model an observed outcome, and the probabilities and the probability and utilities are sometimes modeled as piecewise functions, while the decision theory uses a prior probability to predict a potential outcome. So the decision theory will use a prior probability concept, means pre-decided or the prior probability to predict the potential outcomes, the required outcomes, and these are the various differences between the game theory and the decision theory. And with this I conclude my today's session. Thank you.